Hey, third grade, it's Miss Watkins, and today we're going to cover Standard RF 3.3a. Identify and know the meaning of the most common derivational suffixes. We covered this standard last week, but we focused on prefixes. This week, we're going to focus on suffixes. I know you're familiar with suffixes as we've worked with them throughout the school year. In this lesson, I'm going to present to you some new suffixes, and we're going to learn the meaning of these suffixes to help strengthen and build our vocabulary and our reading comprehension as well as our writing. So before we begin, we simply need to be able to answer the question, what is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a root word to change its meaning. So you take a root word and a suffix, you put them together, and you've created an entirely new word with its own meaning. So it does help in building our vocabulary. It helps in strengthening our reading comprehension, and suffixes help us make our writings more interesting and stronger. Though they are small, they do play a large role in our reading and writing. So the first suffix we're going to look at is able. The meaning of able is able to. With the suffix able, you can make these words: washable, breakable, enjoyable. As you see, the suffixes are going to be highlighted in green so that you can see where they have been attached to the base word. So we're going to look at the last word, enjoyable. The base word is enjoy. We've connected our suffix able and we've created enjoyable, meaning able to enjoy. All right, we're going to look at our next suffix, and that's going to be less. The meaning of the suffix less is without. With the suffix less, you can make these words: homeless, colorless, helpless. We have created complete new words by adding the suffix less. I'm going to look at the first word, homeless. The base word is home. Suffix is less, and I know that the suffix less means without, so homeless means without a home. We're going to look at two suffixes now, and the suffixes are OR and ER. We put these together because they have the same meaning, one who or a person who. With the suffixes OR and ER, you can make these words: creator, supervisor, teacher, dancer. So I'm going to look at the first word, creator. The base word is create. We've added the suffix OR to make creator, one who creates. So then I'm going to look at the word teacher. The base word is teach. We've added the suffix ER to it to create a new word, teacher, meaning one who teaches. The next suffix we're going to look at is shun, which means the act of or state of. With the suffix shun, you can make these words: cancellation, suggestion, subtraction, protection. So I'm going to look at the last word, protection. The base word is protect. The suffix we've added to the word is shun, T-I-O-N, to create protection, meaning the act of protecting. So when you think about the words that we have created, when we've added the suffixes to the end of the word, we've created new words. But we need to remember what the suffixes mean. That's going to help us in building the new words. So I want you to brainstorm some new words. How many words can we think of with the suffix full? How many words can we think of with the suffix less?